Hurricane Maria cuts across the southern islands, but are we out of the woods just yet? I'm LaDawn Davis. Thanks so much for tuning in. We head right on over to Basil Dean for the latest movements from Maria. Basil?
Well, thank you, LaDawn. Maria is moving away. It has made that turn towards the north, and that means it will be pulling away over time. But we have reduced those hurricane warnings in the southeast Bahamas, including the Turks and Caicos Island, to tropical storm warnings. We are maintaining the tropical storm warnings for the central Bahamas for just a little while longer. And at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the center of Maria was located at 23.3 degrees north, longitude 71.4 west. That puts Maria about 115 miles due east of Mayaguana, moving toward the north-northwest at about 9 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds still holding at 125, and we don't anticipate much change in the intensity over the next 24 to 36 hours. But in any event, the forecast track will continue to pull it away from these islands. Nevertheless, some moderate to large swells will be generated by Maria as she gets north of us, so boaters traversing the waters of the northwest and central Bahamas are asked to exercise extreme caution for these very heavy swells and battering waves, particularly in the southeastern parts of the country. So, LaDawn, there you have it. The good news is Maria has started that move that will take it away from the Bahamas, and hopefully by the end of the day, tomorrow sometime, we'll be able to lift all of these warnings completely.
Now, Basil, will the islands of the central and northern Bahamas get any of those outer bands?
The northwest Bahamas, my answer is no. We have a little trough across the northwest Bahamas that will also fire up 1 or 2 showers in pockets, but most of the shower activity associated with Maria will be felt in the central and the southeastern parts of the country overnight, and that too will be lifting by tomorrow afternoon.
So when will the entire Bahamas stop feeling the impact of Maria?
And I repeat, by tomorrow afternoon late, most of the conditions will be lifted to the north of us, and we'll hopefully drop the warnings for all of the islands of the Bahamas, and hence we will be back to some degree of normalcy.
Thank you so much, Basil.